Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where you can find the 8th elf on the 2024 Bloxburg event. So go to the beach and you're going to press your profile, go to your backpack, and you're going to search for wrapping paper. I typed it wrong. Select it and you're going to purchase it. So where this elf is, it's in this third changing hut. You're just going to give it and it's going to give you 125 tickets. And that is pretty much it. That is how you can find the the 8th. Which number am I on? I think this is the 8th elf. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.